Director in charge Guwahati IIT Sukumar Nandi, Global Lead World Bank Mr. Greg Browder, Honmanyo Sri Pabitram Khaundanguria, respected Dr. Jivan B, respected distinguished guests are present here in this hall. I am little confused which line I should use today. One is Red Letter Day or is another is Historic Day, for me at least. I am little confused because this particular day is very, very important for me because I am the minister of the one of the most important department of the state. Important, I am not, I have not used this important word showing importance of the department. I have used important because of the devastating flood of the state. I have used this important. See, Assam is famous for its one-horned rhino and its scenic beauty. As well, Assam is infamous for devastating flood in world. Assam is backward, Assam is poor, Assam is farmers are poor because of its devastating flood. So how long it will be continued? Till when it will be continued? Till this havoc will be done by flood in Assam. Somebody has to control it. Somebody has to lead to control it. What happened till few years back, we spent around 300 crores per year to control, to mitigate flood in Assam. But thankfully, under the leadership of our respected dynamic CM, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Dangoria, you are spending around 2,000 crores per year to mitigate, to control flood devastation in our state. We all know what was our situation during independence. In terms of GDP per capita, Assam was the fourth from the top in the country. But very unfortunately, now Assam is the fourth from the bottom in the country. Why it happened? Because of great earthquake, because of partition, because of chicken neck, because of lot of problems. But because of biggest problem is this flood and erosion, we have become backward. We have become poor. So what I have said, somebody has to do to mitigate flood. Already we have done something. See, if you take Dhemaji's example, now 70% of flood in Dhemaji has been mitigated. I belong to Morigaon district. Morigaon was one of the worst flood affected district. And now I think 70-80% flood in Morigaon has been mitigated. Same thing has happened in Majuli. Same thing has happened in Upper Assam. Same thing has happened in BTR. Same thing has happened in Karbi Anglong. In almost all over the Assam, 60-70% flood we have mitigated in last 4 years because our CM has given us full strength to do work. Without budget, we can't do anything. But without technology, we can't do anything. We can't think anything. Our CM has given budget of 2,000 crores per year to spend. But if we don't have human resources, if we don't have technology, how will do the work in the field? So why I have said it is a red letter day for me? Because I run the department, we run the department which has very, very importance in the state. Not only flood, erosion also a major problem in our state. Friends, I was the MOS health in our last government. I was the health minister then. So I know doctors attend very frequently in seminars. But I haven't seen engineers attend somehow in any kind of seminars. I think one engineers gives 30 years minimum of his life to the department. But in these 30 years, I think, if I am not wrong, nobody has done a nobody has attended a single refresher course or single seminar in his entire life. See, one engineer, his age is 58. Suppose, hypothetical 58. When he passed out, when he was 23, 24, right? It means 30 years before, 24 years before, he passed out from an engineering college. So in these 25 years, he doesn't have anything, new knowledge. How he able to perform in the field? I am not criticizing anyone. Our system is that only. Our department, our government didn't do anything that way. So our engineers are not responsible. Responsible we are. So what happened? Our old engineers were very good in work, were very, very perfect, were very, very professional, but they don't have latest knowledge. They don't have latest technology. They don't know latest technologies. So that is the problem to perform in the field. So I believe with this course, from what we have done today, at least 20 engineers every year will enriched, more educated, will be more empowered to come back to do work for the department, for the people of the state. So that's why I have said it is a red letter day for me. Of course, it is done by our esteemed officers, but I am also a part because I am the minister. So somehow, I am also taking credit. So we have done this great thing. With this great thing, our engineers, again I have said, will empowered, will more educated, and they will be able to bring more technologies to the field, to the department. One example I will give of technology. With this, I'll conclude my speech. What happens, breaches occurs in Assam. In at least 40-45 breaches occurs every year in Assam. And what happens, we can't fill up that breaches during monsoon. Because during flood, it is impossible to fill up. And for that, what happened? People who are affected because of that particular breach are affected for next 6 months. With this particular breaches, for next entire 6 months, flood will come, and they are finished. So what we have done, we have brought geo mega tube technology. It is sorted, and what we do filled up with sand. It goes down, and in monsoon, within 15 days, we have filled up breaches in Assam now. Day before yesterday, I visited Bankwal. I visited Hatimura. These are two breaches occurred in last devastating flood besides Brahmaputra. Besides, in the bank of Brahmaputra, to fill up a bridge in monsoon, it was totally impossible. During monsoon, it was totally impossible. But our engineers now, what they have done, they have completed, they have filled up these bridges within 20 days. So now people are safe where bridge occurred, at least for next 6 months. So this is the new technology. This kind of new technology we will have to bring. We have around 4,500 kilometers of embankments, and most of them are weak. So we need to strengthen them. How it will be strengthened? How it will be newly built? So we need technologies. So I think these engineers who will be more educated with this course, they will bring new technology, will do work, will strengthen Assam, will empower, will develop Assam. So that is my goal. This year, what we have done around 250 kilometers new embankment. Another around 300 new embankment we will have to do I think we'll be able to do it in this year only, coming this year only. So what we have done in these new embankments, we have laid one geo-mega tube under the sands. So with this, I think these new embankments will be more stronger. So this kind of new technology we need. So I would like to request Professor Nandi, Professor Sharma, please empower us, empower our engineers, empower our department, so that we can mitigate flood in Assam, so that we can be a part of the developmental journey of Assam, growth journey of Assam under the able leadership of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma. With this few words, I want to conclude my speech. Thanks a lot. Thank you.